Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to explore some of the most commonly used generic collections in C#. We'll look at how to use list, dictionary, HashSet, queue, and stack. We'll also see how to implement a generic method to handle different types of collections. By the end of the video, you will have a solid understanding of how these collections work and how to use them in your own programs. Let's get started. So here we have our C# program. Let's dive into the main method, which is the entry point of the program. The first collection we are going to look at is the list. A list is a dynamic array that can grow in size, allowing us to store and manage a collection of objects. We create a new list of strings called fruits, initialized with 3 fruit names, apple, banana, and cherry. We then add another fruit, date, to the list using the add method and remove banana using the remove method. Let's print the list and see current fruit it contains. You can see it in the command prompt. This code outputs apple, cherry, and date since banana was removed. Next, let's look at the dictionary. The dictionary is a collection of key value pairs where each key is unique. Here we create a dictionary called student dictionary where the key is an integer representing the student ID and the value is a string representing the student's name. To access a value, we use the key. For example, if you want to print the name of the student with ID 2, we can do this. This will output Bob. Now let's move on to the HashSet. HashSet is a collection that contains only unique elements. We create a HashSet of integers called unique numbers and initialize it with some numbers. Notice how there are duplicate values 1 and 2. The HashSet will automatically ensure that each number is unique, so it will only store 1, 2, 3. We also add 4 to the set. Let's print out the unique numbers. Now you can see the output is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, we have a queue. A queue is a first in, first out collection. This means that the first element added will be the first one removed. We create a new queue of strings and add 3 items, first, second, and third. To remove and return the element at the front of the queue, we use the dequeue method. This will remove an output first, since it was the first element added. Moving on to the stack. A stack is a last in, first out collection. This means the last element added will be the first one removed. We create a new stack of strings and push 3 items on it, bottom, middle, and top. To remove and return the element at the top of the stack, we use pop method. This will remove and output top since it was the last element added. Finally, let's look at a generic method. A generic method is a method that can operate on any data type. Here we define a generic method, print items, that takes an enumerable as a parameter. This allows us to pass in any collection type like a list or a set, and the method will print each item in the collection. We call this method twice, once with the fruits list and once with the unique number set. This prints out all the items in both collections. And that's it. We were covered the basic of some of the most commonly used generic collections in C# and how to implement a generic method. These collections are powerful tools that can help you manage data efficiently in your programs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Thanks for watching.